Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to make a wonderful hair oil that contains nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which will help to promote hair growth and reduce hair loss. So stay tuned. Making use of 1 tablespoon of fennel seed. So I'm going to add the fennel seed into a mortar and crush it. Fennel seed contains a good amount of vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, which will help to strengthen the hair follicles and increase hair growth. I'll also make use of 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Rosemary will help to stimulate hair growth and improve blood circulation to the scalp. I will make use of 1 tablespoon of clove seed. Clove seed will help to promote hair growth, reduce hair fall. It will keep the scalp fresh, provide cooling sensation to the scalp. It will also help to reduce buildup that causes hair loss and scalp infection. I'll be making use of dare leaves. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of dare leaf. Dare leaf contains antioxidants that protect and maintain hair. It can help in production of collagen, protein, and iron absorption. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon. This is how dare leaves looks like. This is the fresh dare leaves. But in this remedy, I'm going to make use of the dry one. So I've added all the ingredients into the mortar. I will slightly crush them. So when I'm done crushing, I'll be adding into a bowl. You can decide to add this in a jar, add enough oil and allow it to infuse for some days. But if you need the oil fast, you can try this method. So I'm going to add enough oil. Stir to mix properly. You can make use of any oil of your choice like coconut oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, almond oil. Then I'm going to stir to mix properly. So I'm going to place the bowl into the pot. Then I'll allow it to boil for about 30 minutes or more. Then you can stir from time to time. You can notice that the oil has changed color. This method is so good because it will allow the oil to warm up and also extract all the nutrients from the seed and spice into the oil. So I'm going to remove from the heat and allow to cool. So when the oil has cooled down, I'm going to use a chiffon cloth to sieve to get the oil. You can squeeze as much as you can to get the oil. Then you can store this oil in a container. It's going to last for a long time because all the ingredients that we use are dry spice and herbs. This oil can be used for your skin and hair. You can apply this oil to your scalp and hair. Then massage to stimulate hair growth. It will help to remove any buildup that causes hair loss and scalp infection. And you will notice an increased hair growth because this oil contains some important nutrients that your hair needs to grow. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.